You guys, this came out of the box. This came out of the box. Like this. I don't even need to use my straightener. Welcome.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You go like the Highland Queen.
Back to my channel, guys. I'm here with another Love Me Hair review. I'm really excited because I haven't had a long wig in a long time. It says love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright. Love it. First of all, this is it out of the bag. I'm just so in love with this wig already, you guys. So I'm just gonna look at it. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. First of all, you can tell it's nice and silky. Silky, just soft. Look at that. Okay, anyways. So it's properly packaged because they don't want it to be all scrunched up by the time it gets to you for it not to be, you know, laid. So guys, this is it. This is her. This is she. Wig. Audience wig. I'm such an idiot. Okay, so. Oh, and they did the side part cut for us, you guys. They even did that. All you have to do is probably just put the Love Me hair. You are the best. Okay, anyways. So what I like too is that this is not a frontal, it's a closure. I used to love frontals, and there's nothing wrong with frontals, but the thing with frontals is you kind of have to glue it. I mean, you can do a glueless, but like it's more comfortable when it's a closure and it's glueless. So this is it right here. This is inside of it, and there's no like there's no combs on the side to like break off the side of your hair. There's one comb at the bottom that's optional, and you can remove it. It's removable. Again, if you're asking how do I get this tight on my head, how do I get it snug, or how do I get it looser, they have hooks. Okay, these wigs have hooks. Okay, so no matter how big or small your head is, you can adjust it. There's 1, 2, 3 hooks. You can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Or if you're just really having a headache and you just need this wig off, you can just take it out and put it so that it's nice and loose. And as you can tell, the lace is lacing. Where is the lace? Not my hand has growing hair. Like literally, if I drew a face right here, it would look like, okay. Anyways, this is amazing, you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on. It doesn't seem like I need to do anything to it at all. I'm just gonna put it on, but before that, I'm going to take my bronzer and my flat brush, just put that on the lace a little bit so it could really match my skin tone. Okay, so I put on the wig. Nobody can talk to me right now. Nobody can talk to me right now. Nobody can talk to me right now. Oh my goodness, you guys. Mind you, this, like I just put it on. I just put it on. You put it on, you adjust where you want your side part, and that's it. That's it. Look at this. The fact that they already cut it for you. Because I can't lie, y'all, I always struggle. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on this side like that. You guys, this is not even a frontal, and it's giving frontal. You know what's funny? So for the sake of this video, I have brought this, my hot comb, because I thought that I would need to comb it down. It's not hot or anything. I don't need to do anything to it. You guys, this came out of the box. This came out of the box. Like this. I don't even need to use my straightener. This is beautiful. Okay, so I want you guys to see how... Okay, first, I don't even know where to start. You guys see I'm going crazy because I just... Oh, I love this, you guys. So, let me just take some of the hair out of the way. Actually, what I will do... I have this olive oil serum. It's really a heat protecting serum, and the reason why I had it is because I just put a little bit in my hands. The reason why I had it is because I thought I was gonna use the hot comb, but I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. Why? And I'm not even using heat on this, but I'm putting it on so that the flyaways, because I had a little bit of hair on my face, so the flyaways won't like get in the way, right? So, you guys, that's it. I didn't have to do anything at all. Look how beautiful this is. I didn't have to flat iron it. I didn't have to put a hot comb in it. Like, it's just, it's giving. And what I love about this, if I do want a middle part, the lace is like right here. I can definitely, look at my comb. I can show you guys. I can go ahead and do a middle part if I wanted to, because, right? LUVME Hair is a company that I always vouch for. Whenever people ask me, oh, where do I get my wigs? I always say LUVME Hair first. Sorry to the other companies, because LUVME Hair has never let me down, not once. Looks amazing. Oh, I'm gonna just swoop the comb under there. There you go. There you go, that's it. That's it. This is a review. That's it. These long reviews I used to do because I had so much work to do. I had to pluck the hair. I had to do this. No, like the hair, you guys, is beautiful. Let me give you guys a full view of it. It's like down here, literally. Like, and then if I'm over it, like I just take it off, right? So it's just like a, that's it. That's it. The sun decided to shine super bright, but I just wanted to show you guys. I also cut the lace just a little bit more so that it can really look like super natural at the front. Even though you don't have to cut the lace if you don't want to. I just like the lace not to show too much, right? So. You can see right here that it's like, it's not glued, but it's looking like it's coming from my scalp. Okay, the sun is doing the most, but yeah, you guys get the point. This is beautiful. Anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for